Traders, and welcome to this new market update. We are Wednesday, May the 6th, and I'm going to be discussing I'm going to be doing a very quick video because I see an opportunity on the S&P 500, and the opportunity is very simple. It may take like some days to materialize. It's not there yet. So I'm going to discuss it very quickly because it's not something that would take us more than 2 minutes. So first of all, we have this level and we have this level. Price is struggling, there is an indecision in price that is growing, as you can see, because price is contracting. So we are having lower highs and lower highs and higher lows, meaning price is getting into a tighter range, and you can see it here. So for the adventures you have the possibility to trade the first range, the inner range. You trade the breakout of the range, of course. I'm talking about a breakout trade. Let me see if I can find another kind of situation where price did exactly that. Let's see. Where price was, well, we had price doing just going in one direction, right? So we were having a very bullish market, but to find something that is similar, it's not going to be easy. Well, we can say that we found one. Okay, there it is. So it's this one. So as you can see there, and then we had price entering the zone. And yes, that's why I say that this is going to be a long-term trade. So basically here is how it works. So when you have two losses, if you are going to lose 2 times, it means that the third time is going to be huge, and there it is. You can see it, right? So if you want to invest, this is a good, this is a good area to invest. Why? Because you might get wrong one or twice, and you might get it right next. So what I advise you to do is not to trade the first breakout and to wait for the second breakout. If you are conservative, wait for the second breakout and then trade it. Okay. You might have but you will be missing the fact that you'll be missing the potential trade where price would just go in a straight line and really break in one direction. Okay, so this is the only, but this is not really a risk, because if you don't trade it, you are not losing your money. You agree? So you're not going to lose your money. So you can either wait for a fake breakout in either direction. I'm not going to tell you the direction because no one knows right now. Some people say that the coronavirus is over and the economy is going to recover. Others are saying we don't know. That's why you see this kind of structure. This structure, even if I'm not a fundamental trader, so I'm not into fundamentals or anything. But this chart is telling me that everyone everywhere is waiting. Everyone is waiting. So this is why we have price doing this. But this is a huge opportunity. So for anyone that has has capital to invest and has a good chunk of money to invest, so the thing that you can do is you wait for a fake breakout. If you want to be conservative, wait for a fake breakout in either direction. Wait for a fake breakout and then trade the other direction. Wait for a fake breakout and like trade in the other direction as soon as price like goes in the other direction. Of course, it can do it 2 times, but doing it 2 times, like it's more rare. It's like it's a rarer occurrence. So it doesn't happen, like that much. But usually, if you see it, if you check, like your charts, not only like this one, but other financial instruments, you'll see that like two fake breakouts are they can happen, but they are rarer. So they won't happen that often. So this is it. This is the trade. This is a more of a long. This is not a long-term trade, but this is a swing trade. I would say this is a swing opportunity, and its price is really like if you were waiting to enter or to trade indices, because like you wouldn't you didn't believe in like this first this first move up. Lots of people didn't believe that price would like do this, and they were they were mostly like thinking that price would like would just have like a small dead cat bounce, and price would continue like lower. But we had like I think we've corrected almost like 50% of the previous like previous drop. So yeah, so here is the thing, and here is the trade opportunity. So the trade opportunity is here, and trade with care. Trade with care. You can even like add more more confidence to your trade by like by waiting maybe for this level to break here, and this one to break like on the other side. Depends, like I'm not going to give you, I'm just showing you an opportunity for people that has been trading markets, because this is not a beginner's like strategy, and this is not for someone that doesn't understand like money management and is going to go like full full with a full margin on his like first trade. So trade with care. The first trade should be like you shouldn't expose yourself much in the first trade. Then you can start adding to your position as soon as you see price going on the right direction. But this is not a video about money management. This is just to show you if you like you didn't notice, or you didn't like knew about it. This is an opportunity that can be like seized. Then this is something that can be huge, and I will update on this opportunity like in the next couple of days or even weeks. Okay. So if you like this video, I would ask you simply like to subscribe to this channel, and also to share this video among your friends, among people that are trading indices and are looking for entry, are looking like for to enter in indices, because they're hearing about it and they know that like we will have major opportunity. So at least they can know the potential levels where they can start thinking, or even like try like to enter the market with a low exposure and high potential trade, high potential and reward trade. Okay, so this is going to be our reward. The people that are going to be like trading this one are going to like stack up lots of money. So this is not even rocket science. You can clearly see it, that we are in the middle, and that big things or big moves are going to happen. Okay, so I will see you in the